So a lot of people keep asking me this question: should I remain an enterprise or should I register a limited company for tax reasons, right? Let me break this down in a simple way so you can decide what works best for your business. Now, there is no one size fits all answer to this. So the first thing I want to talk about is option one, remaining an enterprise. That's business name. So if you operate as an enterprise or business name, here is how tax works. You pay to the state internal revenue service. Your tax is based on profit, not total revenue. So now you file your personal income tax. This option is usually cheaper to maintain and easier for small businesses. I've recorded a video on how to file personal income tax during this challenge. You may want to go through the video. Option two, upgrading to a limited liability company. So if you upgrade to a limited liability company, something interesting happens there. If your company is within the tax-free threshold we have talked about, you may pay zero company income tax. You are going to be paying a zero company income tax. Prepare annual financial statement. File your normal annual returns, right? Then you need to use a professional accountant or auditor to help you do this. We also help our clients to file all this. Still pay a professional fee. You will not pay tax, but you will pay a professional fee. The person that is filing it for you and preparing your audited accounts. Professional fees should not scare you. You can always find professionals within your budget. You start small and grow unless your business is making very little money. For example, let's say at the end of the year you are not making up to 800,000 naira, less than a million naira, right? So in a year then upgrading may not really make sense, you upgrading to limited. But in a scenario whereby, let's say you run a business and your annual return is about 30 million naira at the end of the year, and as an enterprise you will be taxed on profits, not revenue. So now you register the same business under limited liability company, you are going to be paying a zero tax because you are still within the threshold. Do you get? But you must do audited accounts. So why many growing businesses choose limited liability? So you see, a limited company gives you better structure, easier access to investors, better credibility, more opportunities. There are some grants, contract or application that does not accept business name. I've seen that happen times with that number. Even me at times, when I was still on business name, there are some things I can't apply for because I register as a business name. So they require limited liabilities. You don't have to rush. You can start as a business name, then grow to limited liability company when the time is right, when you think the time is right. So there's no penalty for starting small. The right choice depends on your income, on the right choice depends on your revenue. You know your revenue better than I do. So both options have their place. So I want to hear from you. Are you currently running a business name or a limited liability company? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.